Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at YNC Car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to point out some major talking points and features on this stunning 420D MSPORT Gran Coupe. Presented in the black sapphire metallic. Alongside that, of course, we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. You'll also see it includes the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it's a 2017 67 reg. Does also include the facelift, so there you can see those very nice facelift LED headlamps. And moving on down the side of the car, you'll see the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside our gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, hopefully throughout this video, you'll be able to see just how nice of a condition this car is in. And I'm going to move on now and show you the interior, which is for this car the black Dakota leather, which comes in the front with both the heated and electric lumbar options. We've got a 6-speed manual in this 420D. And of course, we'll move on and have a look at the interior details shortly in a bit more detail. The rear seats, you'll find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench and a centre folding armrest. And as you can see there, once again, everything is in very nice condition. And of course, still maintaining that lovely darkened MSPORT headlining. Moving towards the rear of the car, again, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler for the car and a high gloss rear diffuser. And again, you get these lovely sharpened facelift rear LED lights alongside the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then reveals the humongous boot space, which can be made even bigger thanks to the fact you can take out both the bottom and top partial shelves along with split folding seats to further enhance that space. At the other side of the car, again, we can show you just how well the black sapphire metallic really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at YNC Car, as well as it being very nicely presented. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the car and of course just run yourself through a couple of the interior features. There you can see we've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, and it also does include on this car the Connected Drive Plus. Connected Drive Plus gives you access to the online search, news and weather functions, all powered via Google and utilise the car's own onboard 4G network. We've also got the very nice and very intelligent navigation system on the car, which utilises real-time traffic updates, keeping you on the fastest route possible. Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio, along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection and of course USB inputs. Back at the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out the vehicle service status and service requirements of the car. As you can see, everything is highlighted in green, and we do have a full BMW service history for this 420D MSPORT. As you can see there, it's only covered just over 29,000 miles, again, so a nice low mileage example. And as I mentioned at the start, it is a 6-speed manual, and we still have the very nice cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction MSPORT steering wheel. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. For further information, remember that you can of course check out the link in the description, and that will take you through to our website. Alongside, there is direct contact details for ourselves here at YNC Car. Once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.